Hi, my name is Kevin Walsh. I'm the president and CEO of the Yankee Air Museum. I would highly recommend you guys because, again, you've demonstrated around flying, and videoing these type of artifacts that are irreplaceable, and many parts on these artifacts are irreplaceable, that you showed the respect and care that should be taken if you're doing that. But again, going back to the idea of why someone should engage fly through is simply to give a brand new perspective on what's being presented, and publicly it's a look that nobody gets to see. It's so dynamic, but like what we're trying to do, you guys are doing, it's an experiential piece. And it's an additional experiential piece to anybody that wants to look at their product, their collection, whether it be a museum, retail, whatever the case may be. It's all a different way to experience what you are offering publicly, privately, etc.